Oh, this club will not cause me high blood pressure. Can you pass this ball? Overhyped player, can you pass? Look at him putting his hand in the waist. Eh?
Eh? I'm not enough for you, where? I don't know enough. Eh?
How? Why do you use such tone? Can't you see I'm enjoying a football match? Ah!
Who is Omennadi?
Wait, what? And why do you have to turn off the television? What has got me into you this afternoon?
This is what I'm talking about, oh. This is what I'm talking about. Who is Omennadi? You save as contact.
Is this your phone or mine? Where did you get this name from?
Did it shock you? Okay? You are shocked now. You are shocked. Because I've catch you red-handed. You are shocked.
Have you been going through my phone and going through my contacts?
No! Hey!
What?
Daddy. Me, I lost you now. Why will I go through your phone? I lost you very, very well. But everything you do with your phone, every contact, every chat, every call, everything, I see it.
Wait, you're doing what? Have you been hacking my phone?
No! Hey!
For what?
It's you that called the person now. Last year. You forget? Last year you called person, send me the sync my phone and your phone. That time when person for your office, they threaten you. You don't forget, say make you resign from job. You call person, say make they sync our phone. Say if message enter your own, I go see. If call enter, I go see. Just in case.
Yes, I remember that incident, and after which the DSS nabbed the idiot and sent him to jail. But afterwards, I asked that you disable the thing and so that we can have our private life back. So all this while you did not do it, meaning you've been stalking? Wait, you've been stalking my privacy all this while?
Daddy, privacy. Privacy quoi? Ha! Daddy, see me and you now, we are husband and wife. There's no privacy anywhere. Eh? Who you say with Omalichu gum? Omalichu, see? Daddy, you even use heart. Use heart. Hi. Daddy, eh? Who is this woman? Daddy, this is shitting, no? This one is shitting. Me, I cannot take it. You are shitting on me already.
Anyway, I don't have anything to say to you. Your strength this afternoon. I see you have nothing important to do with your time than go through my contact and search my phone. Huh? Relationship police, right?
Relationship police. Daddy, me, I'll police you. I'll police you. I'll police you. Me, I don't understand. Eh? If I don't give my time to you, who will I give my time to? You say woman number with Omennadi. I'm asking you now, you don't want to tell me. Daddy, who is Omennadi? Eh? Daddy, see, it's not good though, you put heart.
You don't sound cheerful, Ray. What happened? Hope all is well.
Don't worry. When did you say you're coming back again?
End of the month. But tell me, what's making my big bro upset? Because I can feel it from your voice. I've known you all my life, big bro, so tell me.
Don't worry yourself, please. If I tell you now, it will look as if I am not man enough. See, it's nothing I can't handle. I'll be fine.
Well, as you said, it's none of my business. But don't forget, every woman has their nasty side. But in all honesty, Tonia is a sweet girl. Well, I miss you already and I can't wait to see you. The work here is really draining.
Who is missing? Who is missing who? Eh? All these girls these days, people don't Sophia. You and all these girls these days, you are in your house, you're missing somebody's husband. You don't have fear. You don't have fear.
What is wrong with you? Give me my phone.
Daddy.
What is wrong with you?
Hey.
This is my sister you're talking to. Are you okay?
No, Ray, don't be that rude. She didn't know it was me. I guess she must have heard when I said I miss you and I can't wait to see you.
I'm okay, bye, sis. It's fine. It's fine, thank you.
Anna, is it really you?
Yes, Tonia, it's Annabelle. Well, I guess I should leave you two alone for now. Break time is already up. Talk to you another time. Big bro, don't be silly. Okay?
Yeah,
bye for now. Love you.
I love you.
Daddy, when I'm eh? Two of them. You listen one phone to me. You leave me in the parlor. You carry your second phone. Come here. Come there. Talk sweet talk. Eh?
How about you ask questions and wait for answers? That's the attribute and quality of a wise woman. Not to just jump into conclusion like that. Listen, I am not even in the mood for this argument right now. I don't want it. Let me be. Excuse me. You won't let me have rest in the living room, and I'll come to the room again. You won't have me. Make me.
See my fault now, eh? Phone is the speaker. Girl is telling you, missing you. I should not ask question. Yeah? Yeah, madam. Yeah. Where Oga?
Oga, I don't come out.
I said, where you dey?
Madam, I don't know where Oga dey. I only see Oga come out for gate. He enter taxi, come out. You know say no carry car. But Oga be like person wey dey vex. Madam, I suspect say Oga dey vex. So.
Man, Emachalife at all. Eh? Security man. You raise security crowd, just stand here. You don't know, say, if your Oga dey come out, you go ask him. Say, Oga, where you dey go for security listen? You don't know. Eh?
Ha! Madam! Muwa. Ordinary gate man. Ask Oga where in they go. Madam, Chokachom no.
Ezioku, Emachalife. I confirm, Ugomia. Look at you. Just look at you. Eh? I'm a security man and not where you get man. Get man, okay? I see it. Eh? Because if you are true security man, you will know that it is your right to ask Oga where they go with that car for security reason. You don't know. Shut up there. That and all.
Madu itala fufuno, wow. You have suffered. See, me when I they do this security work before this Ochiahga come this house. Now me this girl they talk to anyhow me. No problem. I don't blame you. No, talk to me.
Oh gosh, I'm so tired.
What happened? You came back late today.
The traffic was mad. Wait, hope you're not awake because of me.
No, I'm not. I made dinner. Okay, so you can just get some for yourself.
Oh, you're such a darling. Yeah. Not only am I going to work from your place, you always make dinner for me whenever you come back before me without waiting for me.
Come on, Annabelle. We're friends. More like sisters. You know, the fact that this apartment belongs to me doesn't make you feel less. This house is equally yours. Yes, so feel free. And have you forgotten, you and your brother took me in. You guys took care of me while we were in school. Every other person was just interested in ripping me off. We'll keep looking out for each other. Do you get?
Yeah. All the same, I'm still grateful. Huh? Not everyone can accommodate me. You know that.
I know. It's fine now, so just go in there, freshen up and get yourself dinner.
All right, this work is really draining. I can't wait to go on leave.
Sorry, Jerry, just go and rest, you know. You will still have a busy day tomorrow.
You don't understand.
Sorry.
Why you not picking now? Eh? At this rate hour. Hey. Daddy, how about you ignore me like that now? You don't see me standing here.
I am not in the mood for your shenanigan tonight. Please, I'm off to bed.
But you have not told me where you are coming from. Eh? You didn't even tell me anything before leaving the house.
You didn't want me to enjoy my football game in my own house, all right? So I went to the lounge to go enjoy it.
Hey.
Are you happy now?
Hey, my rough, sorry. Hey, don't sound like that. Eh? Don't sound like that, Nam. But wait, Nam. That lounge you went to, were you alone?
Like I said, I'm off to bed.
Hey, Daddy, sorry now. Sorry now. Come on. Sorry, people. I don't want another person to come in between us.
Now that's the problem I have with you. There's no one coming between us. Stop filling your head with nonsense. And your acting out these days is beginning to frustrate me. You're killing me, Tonia. You're killing me and I'm not buying it.
I'm sorry, Nampo.
You're always sorry.
I'm sorry, Nam. Wow. I didn't mean it. You know? Sorry.
Okay, I've heard you. I'm tired. I'm going to bed. Please, I've got work to do tomorrow.
Hey, I made good food for you. You know?
I'm not hungry.
Ah.
I know I had something at the lounge while enjoying my football game. So I am not hungry, to be honest. Okay, it's fine. Not to make you feel bad. I'll eat your food in the morning before leaving for work. How about that?
Okay.
So now let's go freshen up.
Okay, now.
So I can go to bed and have work tomorrow.
So what?
The day is already gone.
Let's go. Huh?
Yes, behind you.
I'm sorry, my love.
It's fine.
Oh, bravo. Welcome, Odogum. Chocolate. Let me get up with it. Those working. Odogum.
Did you say you were taking your leave last week or next month?
Yeah, I applied and so it was granted. So I'll be going to Lagos to spend it with my brother. You know, we really missed each other.
Oh, I know that feelings. You know, I remembered when we were still in school, when he graduated, he was always visiting us in campus. You guys are so inseparable.
You can say that again. And you know what next month is? It's Ray's
birthday. Yeah. I remember vividly.
Wait, you still remember? I thought you would have forgotten after all these years.
You know, I can forget every other thing in this world, but not Ray's birthday. You know the history now, you know what's up.
Yes, I recall. But whatever that happened between you and Ray are now in the past because he is now engaged to be married soon. And I know you are aware of that.
Yeah, I am, and I'm very happy for him. Yes, I am. Although I miss him, but I can't do anything. You know, I traveled out to further my education. Whatever thing we had died that period. I'm so happy he fell in love with someone else and is planning to settle down.
Though I wished you were my sister-in-law to be, because of our long-term friendship. But you know, things don't always pan the way we wish. But look how wonderful you came back into our life. And you came through for me in the city of Port Harcourt where I don't know a soul here.
Hey. I won't allow us to dwell in this emotional ship this morning. We are late for work. Come, let me drop you off.
Sure.
Are you almost done?
Yeah, let me just...
Okay.
Daddy, hey, you back. If what? All your rubbish. Yeah, white rice and sauce with chicken guava. The way you like it.
Hey, come on, babe. Why do you have to stress yourself? I would have easily asked my secretary to get me something to eat.
Daddy Mbao. It's not stress at all. A bull of stress. No, what stress? No. You Biko, I cannot allow your secretary to go and buy you food. Kaginime, or baby feel way important. Or because she handle food. No, woman cannot steal it from me because of food though.
Come on, no one is stealing me away from you. Huh? It's very simple. I'll ask my secretary to go get me something to eat from any fast food around, or possibly place an order online.
Daddy, I told me, secretary I told me at all. And the way that girl, she can use the opportunity now. Go and put rough portion for you. Yeah. Oh, you know, don't bother yourself. At 4 o'clock, that's when I wake to make sure I make food for you. Oh, it's not stress. You're my man. I'm on fire. Agadaga. Otogu.
All those thoughts you have in your head, actually, where are they coming from? Don't you think you worry too much? Are you not going to be in your shop? Or don't you have clients waiting for their clothes to be delivered?
Daddy, clients. What am I doing with clients? You're more important. See, in this town, I want the best of the best of the best. I call them Shirike. When I'm terror this town. I'm a very good terror. And besides, I'm no more like Mama no ya. Now, what the shop on the map? It's a fugo.
Come.
That's how we met.
Yes, I know.
Senator, you na muke, ma. It's a fugo nam. Okama. Agadagam. Odogum. Hey! Watermelon no more. Sorry. Hey, watermelon watermelon chocolate him.
Okay, no one is taking that away from you. And no one is taking away the fact that you're one talented woman. And you are exquisitely good at what you do. Okay. Do you understand? Okay, let me break down. You're extremely good at what you do. And for the record, it's not tailor, it's fashion designer. I have to package you and you have to package yourself. Okay? Take note of that. It's not tailoring, it's fashion designer. Regardless, enough of the plenty talk. I'm running very late.
Of course.
I'll take the food.
Yes.
And you said it's my favorite in here,
chicken
right?
Wow. With white rice, sauce. Imagine chicken sauce and
Chicken
Hi.
Obaka.
Come on, ma. Deep bang.
Let me run.
Oh, no, ma.
Take care of yourself, yeah?
Oh, ma. Agadaga. Open you.
I love you. Bye.
Oh, no. I feel my phone gonna give me a. We are jumper. Oh, Kadimoma. Hi. Namo. Ma. I'm a shitty one in now. But Daddy, we need to talk now.
I have an urgent meeting, actually.
Okay, call me.
Sure. I'll call you back. Just give me some time. I'll call you when I return, once I'm done. Please, okay? It's quite urgent.
One.
Hello, I'm fine. How are you too? I am so sorry I haven't called you back since we reconnected. You know, work stress and all of that. By the way, how have you been? And how is my sister?
Well, I am fine and your sister is doing well. Oh, I was just working at the office. Maybe it's stress, so I said I should call you to ease off my stress.
Yeah, I'm in the office as well. Work stress and all of that. And also, I'm really sorry to not have called you all this while. Forgive me.
I will only forgive you on one condition. And that is, you will make it up to me anytime we meet.
Okay, anything for my Ugom.
Did you just call me Ugom? You know, anytime you call me Ugom, it makes me revisit the memory lane. But I don't want to, because I know you're engaged now.
Yeah, I'm engaged, about to be married. And trust me, she's as wonderful as you are.
Oh, I'm so happy for you.
You know what? Please, can I call you back? I'm supposed to call my woman. She just called. I told her I was going to call her back. Please, I'll call you back.
It's alright. Take care. Let me just get back to work. Bye.
He has not called me. Eh? Look at it go 30 minutes now.
Hey.
Hello, Daddy. Daddy, you say you call back now. It's more than 30 minutes. You did not call. And I even send message, you did not reply. And no, I call you. You they call with another person. Eh, Daddy? You leave me, your wife, they call another person.
Hey, no. It's not even up to 45 minutes. It's almost 30 minutes. Actually, I got a call and an urgent call that I had to take. I'm so sorry about that. It's not that you're not important, you're important.
Daddy, you answer another person call before talking to me, your wife. Ha. That's not the way. Oh. Eh? That means that person is important, Anna. Okay,
Okay, you know what? Can I call you back? The meeting needs my urgent attention. I am running very late, please. Huh? Okay, bye.
Raymond. Hello? Hello? Bien. Raymond, ọkọ tó call ọzọ. Ọkọ tó call ọzọ. Eh? Ha! Okay. It's okay. I know what to do. It's okay. No problem. Yeah? It's eh? Ọkọ tó call ọzọ. Put them on. Yeah, keep it back here.
Speaking extensively with Ray brings back a lot of memories. I really miss him. Why did I even travel out? Should have just stayed back and fight for my relationship. I traveled out to further my education and now he fell in love with another lady. He's already engaged. Ray, now I'm the one losing. Well, all hope is not last. But I really do miss him. I miss him so, so much.
She eluded me.
It's okay, bro.
What was that?
What's up now? How are you? And why do you have to come to my office dressed this way?
No ask me what's up, oh. No ask me what's up. Eh? What do you think I'm doing here? I couldn't find out why my man hung phone for my ear 2 times. Why? Who keep you busy? You claim you're busy, claim you're busy, claim you're busy. Who keep you busy? Is it this little secretary?
What? What are you talking about, babe? Hey, come on, why you really say something like that? I am almost rounding up from work. At least you should have waited for me to return home so that we can talk this or discuss it. Wait. Don't tell me you hit the road dressed like this and everyone saw you.
Babe, that one is not the conversation. No be with the talk. No be in that one. You cut phone, hang phone for my ear 2 times. 2 times. Claim you're busy. Why?
Hey, what's the problem? No, tell me what's the problem. Since we got engaged and you started planning our wedding, you've been acting weird and strange. What's the problem? What's going on with you?
No blame me. No blame me. No be my fault. Eh? All these Lagos girls, I don't trust them. I don't trust them. Which these Lagos girls will see you like this? Kukuma, Konkari, I don't want to give chance, so. Eh? And you they claim you're busy. And since, how many hours? Call me phone, you claim busy. If me call you, you hang up.
Insecurity, is that you actually? Because that's what you're screaming right now. Hey, come on. What's with the insecurity? Take a look at you. Look at your face. You're a beautiful woman. And you have a nice job going on for you. I mean, you're an amazing fashion designer. So what's the problem?
I know. I know what's not to talk to now. You don't see yourself. Eh? You tall, fine, skin color, chapo. Eh? All these Lagos girls, they don't used to use eyes to see someone like you. Eh? You rich. On top say you rich. Your hand, they give money. Anybody will say hand, you give them. Blame me, no blame me. No, they blame me like that. I beg. See, just one thing for me. Tell me, who you been there follow? Who make you no call me? Now for phone, I be the person come here.
Okay, at this point, I think I'm done with this conversation. I'll see you soon.
Ha! You don't do like this now. You never answer my phone question. Just tell me who you dey follow for phone.
Oh my goodness, who's this? Annabelle! No, you're kidding me. Come here.
Craig!
How are you?
I'm fine. What are you doing here?
Oh, well, I've been in PH for work.
Because you work in Lagos.
Yes, I work in Lagos. But you know what? My company had to send me for an assignment, special duties and all that. Our branch in PH here wanted, attention on some areas, and my company considered me fit. And that's why I'm here.
And we happened to bump into each other in front of a supermarket of all places.
See, this is why they say that God works in mysterious ways. Though your brother actually mentioned to me that you stay in PH. He told me.
How long have you been here?
Say about 6 months. But I have 1 more month to finish and go back to head office.
Wait. So you've been in Port Harcourt for good 6 months and you didn't bother to call your best friend's sister?
See, honestly, you won't scare me alive for this, alright? I've been very, very choked up with work and all that. But you know what? Now that you've mentioned it, I'm gonna be a bug on your body.
Good, Joe. I want to start going. I want to go and make food for my best friend, though. She has been the one making it all this while because of my job.
Wow, she must be an angel, eh?
Of course, she is. You can say that again.
Okay, I'll drop you off. Can I have this?
I thought you wanted to get something here.
Yes, of course, but I ain't gonna let you go down there, take a public cab when I'm here. No way, it's not happening. Let me have this.
Okay, if you say so.
No, I want to have this.
All right. For real?
Yeah, I'm just surprised to see you.
You will pay for not calling me.
No, I'm not talking to you. I want to be a problem.
I'm so hungry.
There is food in the kitchen.
You cooked?
Yes.
Wow.
See, I know my work has not been permitting me to do the cooking, and you have been the one doing it lately.
Come on, it's fine. I'm not complaining.
Hey, babe. See, I really want to appreciate all you've been doing for me. You've been the one doing the cooking, and you know it's not all friends that can do that. You allow me to stay in your place. You provide food for me. Oh, come on. You're one in a million.
Come on, can you just stop? You want to make me cry. We're sisters. We're friends, more like sisters. So it's fine.
Yeah, I forgot. Yeah, guess who I bumped into?
You know I'm not good at guessing, and besides, you don't know anyone here in Port Harcourt.
Greg. My brother's best friend.
Your brother's best friend stays in Port Harcourt.
Not at all. He stays in Lagos. I was surprised when I saw him. He said he came in for an assignment 6 months ago, that his company from headquarters sent him to come and supervise some projects here. Though he's almost done. I will leave him to Lagos next month.
Oh, that's nice. At least you have a familiar face here in PH.
Yes, you can say that again. And while he was dropping me off, he said he will be coming to take us out this weekend. I don't know if it's okay by you.
Yeah, sure. I'm free. I'm not doing anything over the weekend, so it's fine by me. Yeah.
Okay, if you say so. Let me go get your food before you die.
Oh, please. You don't use gist like here. You don't use gist. Come on.
It's a lie. I'm coming.
All right.
Daddy, so it's Omennadi you were talking to on the phone. When me, I was calling you. Because of Omennadi you forget to call me back and you tell me you are busy in the office.
Hey, babe. What are you talking about? I was actually very busy in the office. I couldn't call you. I said I was going to call you back.
When?
Wait. Is this why you came to the office earlier today?
Not answer my question, no. Not answer my question. Omennadi you go and since I complain about this woman, you've not even changed the name. You've not changed how you save it.
And what are you insinuating?
Baby, you are right to me, oh. You are right to me. And you are keeping secrets from me. In fact, you are cheating on me. You are cheating on me.
Hey. Why do you sound that way? Come on, don't say something like that. I am not cheating on you. I've been very honest with you from the word get-go. Okay, this is what happened. Omennadi happens to be my old-time friend before she traveled abroad to further her study. So I'm not doing anything nasty. I'm not cheating on you. Nothing. She's just a friend of mine. And come to think of it, she's best friends with my sister, Annabelle. And Annabelle had to put up with her in Port Harcourt. Now you see the bond. It's more like a family thinking.
No family, there's no family here. You put up a little gum, you put heart. My own number is only up in me. You no use heart, no heart. I'm not laughing, no. I'm not laughing. It's not funny.
I'm sorry that I laughed, actually. Okay. Omenichugo is the name I used to remember. That was the name I could only remember. That's why I saved it with Omenichugo. Nothing attached to it, to be very honest with you. Okay, here's what's going to happen. Let me have the phone. I will change the name, delete the heart, and I will save it with a proper name. UGO Ugo. Saved. Is that okay? And I'll go to your name. Obim. Edit. Space. Heart.
Put 2.
Extra heart. Okay, I'll add kiss emoji. So that settles it, alright? You know, I don't like to see you cry.
I'm not crying again. I'm not crying. Have you?
Come here. So there's nothing going on.
Hey.
So there's peace now, right? But you'll do me one favor. The way you came to my office today, please don't do it again. You scared my workers. You scared everyone.
Sorry. Sorry. Really sorry. It won't happen again. Sorry. Huh?
Fine.
Hey. Tell. Let me call you. Who my name? I want to see my name. Welcome. Chocolate.
Hey.
I'm happy.
And sorry, when did I become your good luck charm? Oh, great. You know I'm not a stranger to you. You're a funny guy. You know that. Okay, Mr. Man. I am running late. My friend already left me and you're distracting me. Please, let me go. Don't bother yourself. You told me you have... Oh, wow, great. I thought he said he have presentation this morning. Hope he's not risking that to just come get me. That guy can never change.
My goodness.
What did you just do? Jesus, what just happened?
Did I just hit the lady's car? Oh my God, great. That means you're spending the rest of your day here. Why are you late in the first place?
What did you just do?
My dear, I am very sorry about that. Forgive me. I was just so focused on where I was going. I'm sorry.
Like, this early morning, what were you thinking? You didn't even trafficate.
Listen, you won't understand. Just forgive me. Moreover, it's just a minor scratch. I can pay you for it if it's a problem. Please, I'm sorry.
I can fix my car. It's insured anyways.
Oh, that's good. So you mean I should go?
Yeah, you can go. I'm late for work. Don't worry.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you very much.
welcome.
By the way, my name is Greg.
Oh, my name is Sugo.
Oh, pleased to meet you. Trust me, I'm surprised. Unlike other Nigerian ladies. Well, thank you anyways.
You're welcome.
Oh, baby, I'm so sorry. Do you know I got into trouble? As I was trying to make a very fast negotiation to a bend, and I mistakenly ran into a lady's car, and I scratched her car.
For real. Hope you're alright.
I am fine.
What of the lady?
She's equally fine. Just that I scratched her car and all that. But you know what? This lady's a fantastic being. She just allowed me to walk away without anything, unlike other Nigerian ladies.
Oh, really? She must really be an angel.
Yes, she is a fantastic being.
Thank God there is nothing serious there.
Yes, yes.
Well, when I couldn't get hold of you, I decided to come and take a cab.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Thank God I'm here, eh? Why don't you just hop in so you don't get to work late?
Thought you said you had presentation this morning.
I actually had to call them. I called them and told them I got into trouble, and they said, okay, I can actually shift it to an hour and all that, so that's fine.
Okay. If you say so.
Let's go.
Sure.
I don't want to go to work today.
You're funny. Excuse me.
I'm just funny for you, baby. Anything for you.
I don't want you. My name no be Isi. Nse.
Nse.
I know you give me the name, you call me with respect. Which one be I no go come back? Now you employ me.
I beg, leave that thing. So, see, I should still be like this, so you still the quick verse. Why be they think, say, I should don't go bury your man, come back now, your temper don't supposed to calm down. But that aside, then, half an hour, I just me, how the bury I go? Open our mouth for ground, well, low.
Who's this one?
Make sure not go get up.
Which one be you put your mama for ground? Oh, one put my mama before. Not before ground we go put her. Not before ground we go put her. You go they ask me question every time. Anyways.
Small question now. You don't turn out to another thing.
We bury her way. I don't come back. Oga their house.
Who? Who you be? Who they ask of my husband?
Afternoon, ma.
Who you be?
Yeah, my name is Inse. Oga house help. Yes, ma.
Oga house help.
Yes, ma.
But they tell me say you go bury your mama now. Say you no go come back.
No. I no wan come back, but my auntie says since Oga they pay me, well, make I come back, come work. They give money, make sure they take care of my brother and my sister for village. Yes, ma.
But we no need you here again. Me, I don't come here now. You don't get anything where you feel do and no feel do. I even do am better pass you. So no, I don't need you here again.
Madam, my beg. I beg no sack me. No sack me. If you sack me, where I go? Now only this place I know, and now only Oga they pay me where I go send money give my auntie, make she take care of my siblings. My brother and my sister, they don't get anything they go eat up. I don't fit go back village. I beg go, madam, I beg.
Stand.
Make I
Stand up. Why you need that?
Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma.
But this is so hot weather.
Sorry, ma. Sorry.
I beg go, no they do like that, I get people who dey here now.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, wait, I dey come. Wait.
Make I come with you.
Dey place.
Sorry, ma.
I said make you wait. Where you want follow me go?
Sorry, ma. Sorry.
Hey. See, this woman they behave like who escaped psychiatric. She don't do like mad woman.
Hey.
This one don't feel crazy before.
Hey. I don't carry man keep for house.
This one pass my person.
Hey, Madu, I don't want to go back my village.
Correct. This is 100K. Eh? You will carry him, go your village. Go they take care of you. What do you call them? Your sibling.
Madam, I beg, I don't want to go village. I beg, I don't want to go village. Madam, help me beg, madam. I don't want to go village.
Come, you the please.
I don't want to go village.
I said I don't want to hear again. I mean, I sabi there to it.
Hey, oh, madam, help me, oh. Hey, hey.
People dey here now, they mad.
I don't think go back my village.
Open, she come on here.
Madam, I beg.
When I correct the money what I give you 100K. Say make you go village. You know what? 100K. Come on here.
I beg, I don't. Madu, you don't go help me talk to her.
Talk to who?
Talk to madam. I don't want to go back to my village.
This mad person. You see. You want me to sack our two?
I don't die, yo.
If I beg this one, they sack me join.
Go on, but make them help me beg her. Make them
If
help
labor
me
beg
beg
this
her.
one, she know the year. She don't crease. Oh yeah, wait, easy. Don't do it. Calm down. You don't see you too fine to the cry. You don't. Oh yeah, stand up. No worry. Just stand up now. You don't do. No worry. Everything will do okay. Who your back? See, you know what go happen. I know they cry again. See what go happen. See, I go open gate now. You go outside.
Hey!
You go do this corner. Wait, no, they shouty.
Man, don't make it.
Wait, now I finish. Wait, see, just do this corner. So that if Oga dey come like this, you go block him. Explain everything, give him. Your Oga gets sense past this one.
Make I dey your room with Oga. Make I dey your
You
room.
say?
Make I dey your room.
My room. See, easy. See, I use beg, they got you. Not put me for wahala. Dey my room. So that madam will come now, call the tick or that is it.
I beg, I don't want to go back my village. Make I dey your room.
You go make this thing worse too.
Madam.
No, the cry, if your come, just rush and explain. No worry, I will watch over you. As your guardian, you will watch over you. Take this side, take this side. See, already, you don't come like this. You attack her, yeah? This woman, Chris, you look at you, carry one woman. Welcome, sir.
Yeah. That's all. I saw Auntie outside. Where is she? So what's going on?
Welcome back, sir.
I thought you traveled. What happened? What are you doing outside?
I come back this afternoon, but I won't call you my phone. Lost for village.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then, what are you doing outside my gate? I thought you said last time I checked you traveled. How was the funeral to start with?
Okay, the funeral go away.
So what are you doing outside the gate? I thought you said you'll be staying back to take care of your younger ones.
Yes, okay. My man say make I come back, make I dey work since they pay me well. Then I go dey give her the money. She go dey take care of my siblings and my brothers for me.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Then what are you doing outside the gate? You've not answered my question. Don't you know your way in?
No, madam. Madam say you don't sack me. So make I dey go back village.
Easy, easy.
Is that true?
Okay, me, I know hear everything though. I only see when madam go inside, bring money come out, give you see. So I know rich.
Okay, see the money here. I no use them. 1 naira I no touch there. Even when one guy they cash me out, I no buy bread. Okay, I beg no sack me. I beg.
Why didn't sack you in the first place? Okay, you know what? Stand up. Follow me.
Sir.
Hey, you return back to the tables.
Madam, no.
How are you?
I've already met. Yeah. Listen, I gave you 100K to go back to your village. What are you doing here?
Hey, babe. Why did you tell her our services are no longer needed in this house?
Hey, baby? I don't need her service. Someone like this, just two of us now. I can handle it.
Hey, come on. Do you want to grow old? She's back to help her to the house chores. You should be thankful for that.
But why not house chores? I can do it.
Madam, I beg, no sack me. I no get where I won't go again. See, madam, me and Oga don't know ourselves. Stay. Inside out. I know what Oga they like. I beg, no sack me.
Daddy, this girl says she know you inside out.
Babe, what she's trying to make you understand here is that she has been my house help for a very long time. Hey, come on. I'm too tired. I just returned from work. She's back to assist, so let her just give her the chance to do her thing.
Okay, no problem. Me, I don't have problem. Let it not be like me, I don't have a human conscience. She can stay. No problem. But, baby, I don't want her talking to you. I don't want. Anything you want to tell my husband, tell me. Talk to me. I will tell him. Even if you want to greet me, I will greet him for you. So you have not entered. You are knowing my husband in and out.
Are you being serious right now? Are you for real? Okay, you know what? Whatever you decide to do, go ahead. Your wish is my command. I would like to have my dinner in the room, if you don't mind.
No, Daddy, of course. Chocolate him. Okay, Mom.
That's fine.
Chocolate him.
Go back to your room.
Thank you. Okay, thank you. Madam, God bless you. My, you know go feel regret say you carry me come your house. You know feel regret that.
I can. Panola.
Thank you, madam. Thank you. Hey. Oh my God, I am so tired. Oh gosh.
Friend, what happened? You came in late, unlike you. Did anything extraordinary happen?
If you're talking about a total stranger denting my car, God knows where he was rushing to this morning, and me having to wait extra time at the office for my mechanic to come fix my car, plus traffic, then my day was extraordinary.
Oh my God, total stranger. Wait, you said someone bashed your car. Greg said something like that this morning when he came. And are you the lady he was referring to?
Who is Greg?
Greg, my brother's best friend, the one I told you. See, when you hurriedly left this morning, he called as I was dressing up. And I told him I was still at home. And I said, okay, I'm coming to take you to work. But when you got here, he told me about a little hiccup and how nice the lady was. Wait, could that be you?
Maybe, maybe not. Though he said his name was Greg. Oh, guy, that's not serious. Not really that serious. I am tired. I just want to sleep.
No. You can't sleep with your work clothes on. Go change, freshen up. Also, I'll get you dinner.
No, don't worry about dinner. I'll just freshen up.
If you say so.
Don't.
Oh, please stand up.
Come on, leave me
Stand
alone.
up.
I'm so tired. I am not smelling. I know
Stand up.
that. I am not smelling. Madu!
Hey, easy, my personal person. Easy, onye nke mo. Hi! Easy, see, I don't miss this your food. But I tell you, I get the way they cook this your food when your madam no sabi. I dey suspect say you dey put one special village ingredient, eh?
Madu, I beg you. May madam for no hear the same way you talk now, because I don't want to go back my village. I don't want to go back my village.
You say that one go good now, sure. I go just kukuma follow you, we'll go your village, we'll go marry. After all, you get wetin I dey find for wife, eh? Easy. See now, look you. You be full option. Your face show, your shoe shared. You can't carry front up. Hey! You see your back, the must be
You see, I've suffered. What a suffer. You look me finish, Madu. First, make I even warn you. First. I don't say my name no be easy. It's Inse. Second. They hear me second. What it make you? For this your brain when no dey function well, they say you go fit marry me. No, now look me now. Look me well now. See now. You say you fit marry me. Ordinary get man like you. Now you won't marry me.
You see. Now why did they talk to like that too?
Seriously.
Now me they call navigate man. See, make I tell you, if no be condition, if I be praised for my village, I not just be ordinary gate man. Don't look me less because of this uniform where I wear. I get money die. You see. You get money. I'm gonna the like show myself.
You know, like show yourself. If I hear that marriage song for your mouth, give man, thunder go fire you there, idiot. No, I basically they call food for oga. No be food for gate man. You go be a gate man, driver. Now they look me. You go see, you know, go cut your coat according to your size. What ugly thing.
You see.
Come and take now. You want chop oga their food. Get back.
You see that? You don't see the oga where I carry for Nika? Eh? Hi. If not because say I get for your body, I will slap you back. Sick person. Give me food, slap me on top. I will plan for this house.
Now so they take wash plates. Where you from? You go to dance the wash plates.
Good morning, ma.
If you wash this plate finish,
Yes, ma.
wash all the plates finish, clean the house, clean everywhere. Don't they go shop? You go market, buy ingredients. The ingredients are right there. Buy everything. I want to cook one or soup.
Oh, okay, ma. Madam, I know so Oga favorite soup. So not bother yourself, oh. Just go. If I go market buy the Oga, come back, I go just cook.
I don't talk. I'm saying you no go rest for this house. You no go rest. You no get as you go take rest for this house. Because if not be clean, they worry you. You hear when I say make you cook for my husband? Oh yeah, hold your ear. Duram, where? No open this your mouth. Talk say you won't cook for my husband again. You hear me so? No even listen now.
But madam, me na oga house help now. I don't dey cook for her date. I never poison her before.
Who talk poison here? No. Who open mouth talk poison? Come, this girl. Your eye no good though. Your eye no good. No cook for my husband. Na simple something I talk oh. I go there here now. This one go carry food, come correct my husband.
But madam, don't enter my eye now. I'm like oga MB.
This girl no provoke me this morning. No provoke me this morning. This. You won't fight him? Not provoke me this morning. This human being where I don't know where he's from. My man, chocolate him, no they enter your eye. For your whole village, you get them man where finish him. You know see that? Now 10 men finest you can. Man where tall like that, fine like that.
Sorry, ma.
They know they enter your eye.
Sorry.
Like what's I don't know. No cook for my husband. Now explosion I give you. Yes. Follow him. Rubbish. I know the left if they wash plates for my kitchen.
Hey! When Oga carry this woman come this house, she know they like this, so she dey very humble. She don't enter house now, she turn to tiger. Tiger! May Oga carry this one go hospital, oh. Because like this, confirm madness. What's it remain to pick paper for road come house? Because
Sorry, Ray, I didn't first tell you I saw your friend in PH. It totally skipped my mind. Gushing about me, you say? Now your friend is really funny. And I've known him for years. Why is it gushing about me all of a sudden? Come on, big bro. I'm a big girl now, okay? And I can take care of myself. And again, nothing is happening between Gray and I. Not even in the nearest future. I don't think I should explain myself to you. Please go, Joe. I'm far away from you and I'm taking care of myself. She's okay. Her both are doing fine. But she stepped out. You can say that again and again and again. Alright, bro. Talk some other time. Yeah, my regards to Tonia. I'm missing you both already. Can't wait to see you. So bye.
so, what on earth made you think I still want this relationship? Huh? I am not interested anymore. Just move on. I am here to tell you I am done. It's over between us. Yes. And can you stop calling and bombarding my phones with messages?
Babe, I came into this country because of you. I left everything I was doing in Canada just to be here for you. Because I still love and cherish you. Please, don't do this to us.
What part of I am not interested don't you understand? Is I am done. Is it too difficult for you to comprehend? I am done with you. I don't want again. Joe, you cheated on me. I caught you cheating on me. I am sure if I hadn't, you will still be deceiving me by now.
Babe, this was a one-time mistake. I swear, I don't even know how it happened. That lady, I don't have anything with her. I don't. Babe, I still love you. Please, come home with me, please. Hey, please. Don't throw away every beautiful thing we've had just because of this stupid mistake. Hey, please come home with me, please. I still love you.
One-time mistake. Joe, did you say one-time mistake? Sorry, what was she doing on your bed? Huh? You call that a mistake, yet you removed that dress. She was on your bed when I caught you, so what was she doing on your bed? What kind of mistake is that? I am done. It's over between us.
Please, please, please. Babe, please forgive me. Babe, I can't live without you, please. Babe, I gave you this distance because I wanted to give you a space, okay? But the distance is killing me. It's killing me. I can't live without you, babe. Please forgive me. Please. Please. Look at me. I miss you. And I know deep down, you really miss me. Please don't throw away this beautiful thing. Okay, please.
I'm not here for all of this thing.
Please. Stop fighting it, okay? Stop.
This is how you work out the moment. So what's happening? Have you don't join madam for our craze department?
Now you dey craze. Madu, now you dey craze. I no just dey happy.
What's happen? Why you not dey happy? You talk to me. What's happen?
No be madam. She just go come kitchen. Sir, you no longer be. She said no be. No, say that she not go dey cook for gas. I don't go cook for a guy again for this house.
How you dey do like madam sir? But what's happen? Why madam say me you know they cook? Eh? You break plates, have you thief meat for pot?
See which meat? Madam say I want snatch oga from am. Madu, since when we dey here now, you don't hear say I snatch oga before.
No.
I don't snatch oga before.
I know. Have you the plan to snatch oga? But you see yourself, eh? You see what I tell you, eh? You see what I tell you.
Come on.
Relax, see. That make oga madam say you want snatch oga so, eh? I will say you agree to marry me now. She for no they think like that. You see fine boy who want marry you now, you dey there, you dey phone galadima. You raise shoulder.
Madu, that thing where you dey find, eh? You go see him, and now you go run. Now you go run.
Me Madu, run. See, you don't know why they call me Madu. You see, you don't know. Me when we saw the guests for this area, they die for your dogu. I mean, they tell say I go run. You see, Palugiaka, eh? If I handle you, see, hi. You see.
Hello, babe. What's up now? How you doing? How was work today?
Hey, I've been waiting up for you. Seems you're running late.
About that, I won't be coming home tonight. Yes, I'm hanging out with friends from work. We are clubbing.
Whoa, what's the occasion? What are you guys celebrating?
Nothing. We're not celebrating anything. They invited me and I can't just say no since it's Friday. We just want to go and unwind. That was why I called to tell you.
Okay, sis. That's cool. Just take care. And don't forget, I promised Greg we'll hang out with him this weekend.
Yeah, sure. I'll be home first thing tomorrow morning. See you tomorrow. Take care.
Okay. Take care.
What are you saying now? Eh? Yeah, I cannot come to village now, no. I cannot. If I'm coming to village, it's straight for my traditional marriage. Oh, I've heard. I'll try and come today. Oh.
Why are you on the phone?
It's Papa.
What happened?
He say he is not feeling strong. Say he want to see me.
They want to see him now. Maybe the Papa miss you now. Eh? I'm not seeing him.
I don't want anything to happen to him. Hey, listen.
nothing will happen to Papa. Okay? Papa missed you. That's it. So I think, if you ask me, I think you should travel to go be with him, more like bonding with him as his favorite daughter. Before we can even make any plans for any traditional marriage. How about that?
Chocolate. See why I love you. Eh? See, it's small word you say now. All the mago in my body just cool. Eh?
Hey, it's fine. Yeah, I love you too.
I love you. Okay, I'm going, since you are bath, let me go and bath quick. Eh?
Okay.
So that we can go together. You know?
And what do you mean by so that we can go together?
We'll go to the village and see my sick father now. He's sick, oh. And you can even use the same time. Tell him the date you have a mind for our traditional marriage.
Are you being serious right now?
Wait, I should just get ready and follow you to the village on plan, just like that, and abandon everything I'm doing here, plus my work. Are you kidding me?
What? What work? Daddy, this work, you are the chairman. You know, don't take. Call your team people. Tell them you are sick. Eh? They trust you. They will carry on without you.
No, that's the problem, the trust there. I cannot just stay and start abusing their trust. You just want me to call my work people and tell them what? That I'm traveling just like that? And abuse the trust. What about my integrity and dignity? I should just come up and tell them I'm sick and lie with unnecessary things. What did they say about speaking words into existence? I'll just say I'm sick. Tomorrow I'll fall ill. It's a very bad thing to do. Lie with critical situations. It doesn't make any sense. Please, just go and freshen up. You go to the village. You understand? And see Papa. I want to get ready for work. I'm running very late.
Tonia, I cannot leave only you and that Nsege in this house. You want me to leave only you and that Nsege in this house? I don't lost that girl, oh. Me, I cannot leave only you and her in this house. Eh? Ngwa, no problem. Since you don't want to follow me to my village, no problem. Me, I will not go to village again. All of us will stay here. I'll lock door. We'll stay inside here.
Okay. Hey, don't worry. No, leave the door. Leave it. No need. Okay. It's fine. Hey, I'll follow you to the village. Go and freshen up. Huh?
You follow me?
You freshen up, yes.
You follow me, oh.
Yes, I'll follow you.
Hey. Oh, come on. Oh, yo. Agalagam. Oh, Mama. Eh? See why I love you? I love you here. I love you there. Eh? I love you. Yes. Hey, since it's a village we are going to, I must not bath. You can go.
No, you need to freshen up.
Hey, play. Oh, yeah. Let me go back.
Huh?
What are you doing?
No, I'm trying to put something. Like I'm looking for. I wanted to make calls, so there was no network here. I came here to see if I was seeing network. Just freshen up. I'm waiting for you.
Okay. I'll back quick, yeah?
Okay, no problem. Jesus.
Open that gate, man. You close?
Madam, ma'am,
I said, open this gate.
Mba.
Madu!
That longer go sack me if you hear or sister and let you go outside like this. Madam, the body are see your body.
See soap. And you tie towel.
Now your body. Now your body's up there.
Bow, madam.
Eh? Mother, see.
Mother, since now you make me go catch your eh? Anything when they happen for this house, you go report and give me.
At the travel go my village. If I reach there, if fly enter this compound, come perch. Madu, you go call me. Tell me.
This compound come drink water, and you don't call me, Madu.
Hey,
Now there you see the problem. She dey hear me so.
Madam.
Madu, you dey hear me so?
If this one move, this one, it should shift. Call me, tell me.
Oga suppose carry madam go hospital. Madam, this one a confirm mental case.
Whether she don't craze or she dey craze or she don't craze before, it don't concern me. See.
New rules. As I dey here, so madam don't give me another work. You dey get? You see.
If you waka way not straight, I tell madam. Well, madam, you know what that means.
You know say the craze.
The craze. I don't blame you.
Be mad with the grace.
We come there now.
Okay.
I'm gonna move myself.
We go know with the grace. By the time I don't go tell madam.
Babe, I thought you were going to spend the weekend with me because I have arranged for us to have a lot of fun this weekend.
I'm sorry, Joe. I can't. Next time, when making such arrangements, you should let me know. Besides, I already told my friend I'll be hanging out with her this weekend.
But you're coming back, right?
Joe, no, I am not coming back. I think you should just let me be for now. Yes. I am not in the right frame of mind to forgive you. And this will be the last time you'll be seeing me.
Babe.
Maybe you should just go back to Canada and pretend this never happened.
Babe, I thought we met up last night. I thought you were forgiving me.
Yeah, I thought so too, but I was wrong. I can't just let go of the odds. That's just that. The picture, the image of you and that slut keeps playing in my head. I can't let go. I'm sorry.
Babe, please now. Babe, please.
Who be that? Who?
Oh.
I want to help you. Hey. Now, wow. See, man, we be say since he employ me, I never see him drink. So it's woman don't turn this man to. Eh?
Morning, sir. Good night. Okay. Okay, now you are there, follow the wait for us, so. go buy before you drop, and you go drop before you back. Sweet Oga, my Oga make my Oga they do now. My Oga when they drink before, don't they drink now they fall. She don't make my Oga they fall for staircase anyhow. Hey, I food already. You dey sleep? You no even comot your shoe, you no comot your shirt.
This girl know the parlor. She know the kitchen. She never did her room. Where she gone dey? And I just say she never come for this house since. Wait. Hey! Make you no be what I think. Wait, you sure say? Check on Carol first.
Don't worry, I go help you. I will come out and you will do alright. Okay, you are small. I say don't die. You are small. Hey, I got no rest. I got to do a small, yeah? By the time I finish, you go there alright by tomorrow. Hey. Oh. That's so sweet. Oh boy. Okay. Sorry. Come on, your shirt. May not stay in bed. Oh.
Oh, Tonia.
Hey! So now true, madam, they talk. Oh. Hey! So say they do got to. Madam must hear this. So I just was an uncle, madam.
Madam, Omennadi. Madam, you talk, see, if anything happen for us, make I call you. You say if he see shit or fly perch, make I let you know. Nobody you talk. Madam, if you know wetin dey happen for house, hey! Madam, if you know wetin see they do for oga room as I dey follow you dey talk so. Hey! Madam, you go begin run come now. Madam, no be my mouth you go hear say your cross dey drop. I don't tell you, easy, they do wetin no good for oga room. I no fit talk. Madam, don't let me come. No.
Babe, Greg called. Said he's coming to take us out for the night. Are you in or you tired? You want to rest? You understand? I mean, you hanging out with your colleague yesterday might have gotten you exhausted.
No, don't worry, I'm fine. I mean, today's Friday and it's not like I'm going to work tomorrow. So once I'm back, I'll be sleeping all through. Let's go and have fun.
You can say that again. Hello? You're here already? Oh. Okay, I'm coming. Let me open the door. Please dress up. Is he already? You're welcome.
Oh, yeah.
Have a seat.
Oh, yeah. What a nice place you have here.
Thank you.
Thank you. As you can see, I am here as promised. But you're not ready as yet.
Oh, yeah, my friend and I were already dressing up when you called. I said you were here, so, but I guess you should be ready by now.
Okay. She's looking pretty as always, eh?
Oh, yeah, she is.
Oh.
Hi.
Great. This is Ogo, my best friend. My best friend, whose house both of us are in right now. And Ugo, this is Greg, though I love calling him Gray. That's my brother's friend, the one I told you about, remember?
Yeah. Your face looks familiar.
Yes, of course, I remember you. The pretty young calm lady that has crashed her car, which I'm still sorry for.
It's fine. That's in the past now. So, You are the Greg Annabelle has been talking about. You currently live rent-free in her head.
Babe!
Yeah, my life.
You can sell me out. And you, that's not true. So you will not start feeling important now.
Okay. Can you just at least go in, get dressed, and let's get going? As you can see, your friend is all dressed up.
What should we offer you?
Oh, yes. We have brandy, we have juice, we have wine, soft drinks. Which do you want, sir?
I see. With a whole full bar in the house. But you know what? I think it's better I stick for water now, since we're hanging out for drinks. What do you think?
Okay. Let me get you water.
All right, just feel free. We'll be back.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Babe, what do you think of him?
I don't know. I can't really say anything about his character because I just met him. And I won't deny the fact that he's cute. I'm not really a good judge of character. And yeah, he's cute, basically, but I think your brother is way more handsome.
Really?
Really? Why are you blushing this side? Well, don't You like him? Oh my, why not tell him you like him?
I don't know what you're talking about, please.
Oh, really?
Let me dress.
Hey, we. My girlfriend is so in love. Hey!
Shut up! I'm not.
You're not. And you're... Really?
I'm not.
Don't worry, I'll tell him for you. I'll be your mouthpiece.
Don't do that.
Don't worry.
Don't
worry, I will. Look at how you're blushing so hard. Because of that damn man.
Stop!
Jeez.
You know you could bad me inside the sitting room.
I want something. Get ready, I'm almost done.
Yeah, I'm done.
Hey, Onye!
Yeah, my friend, open this gate.
Who did that? See, I hope at last. So. Madam. Madam.
Close gate tonight, no.
Madam, this night.
Please, where did it? Talk fast.
Madam, madam.
Lemon! Inside! No, they hear me, sis. Eh?
Madam, this one will die by your father.
You the place. Now your papa go die.
Sorry, madam.
Now your family go die first. Come.
Sorry.
What did they do with my husband? Eh? Husband snatcher.
Hey.
Me. See, you even tie lapa. You tie lapa. You want to show me say you just finished work.
Madam, no.
No, you just finished work. No. Now make you tie lapa come.
Madam,
Go pack your bag.
Hey.
Go pack your bag. You
Madam,
leave my house.
innocent.
You
I
go
don't
leave
know
my
the
house.
thing where they talk side. Do I not do anything? No, I don't do anything. I better not sack me, mama.
Go pack your bag.
Hey,
You leave my house this night.
Hey, we. I dey very innocent. I don't know anything. I don't do
What's
anything.
going on here?
Oga.
Tonia, what are you doing here by this time of the night? Ouch, you should be in your hometown. So what's going on?
Daddy, I enter as boss because person tip me. Say you and this human being, you and this person, una dey do bad thing for our matrimonial bed.
What?
Why? Eh?
Wait. You mean you risked your life just for nothing this night?
That is not be nothing, no. Why you go talk like this now? Which one be nothing? How you they do something with this person? You go tell me say na nothing. Eh? This human being. Say she fool. You go leave my house. You dey leave my house this night.
Do anything, no. Make I explain wetin happen. Oga come back, Oga dey drunk. He say, listen, bring my food to the room. I go carry the food go room. As I enter room, Oga don dey sleep. I drop the food for table. Now I say make I help her. I comot his shoe, I comot his tie, I comot his shirt. But I no touch Oga trouser. I no touch Oga trouser. I just run and put her for bed, carry blanket, cover her. As I cover her, I can't go comot in pajamas, food because I don't say anytime Oga go wake up, he go wear her. As I finish, I comot your room, go my room, go sleep. I don't even dey promise land before you dey knock this door. Me, I no know anything they talk about. I not do anything.
Insert. Okay, stand up.
But I don't want to make it.
I said it's okay. No one saw the pages on the bed. What is the problem, Tonia? What's the problem? What is marriage and relationship without trust? And I don't know who fed you with the false information you got.
Daddy, they talk like that now. No be say I no trust you. Me, I trust you, no nah. Now this girl no trust. See her body, see carry body full everywhere. I don't trust this girl. Eh? All these are quiet on people, you should just carry machine dey waka up and down. No, this is not like that, Daddy. No, this person are not lost.
I don't know what you're talking about. And I am not even interested to know what you're talking about. But one thing I'm certain of this night. This is midnight. I don't want any other noise in this house. Again. Enough. Go back to your room.
Hey, Daddy. I will catch you very soon. Very, very soon. You. Daddy. Hey, Daddy. You are sleeping. I do not know. Eh?
Madam don't call mental like this one. This one na confirm mental case.
What an outing.
Ooh.
Hope you all had fun, eh?
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much, Greg. I really enjoyed myself.
No, it's all my pleasure. You don't have to thank me.
Thank you. I needed this rewind and I can't wait to do that again.
Oh, Annabelle, talking about that. I actually got a message yesterday from the head office asking that I come back to Lagos this coming week. So I guess my stay in PH is over.
So soon? I thought it's still next month.
I thought as much until last night when I got a message from the head office asking that I come back to Lagos, you know. But not to worry yourself. Yes. Remember you'll be coming to Lagos anytime soon. And I'll take you around town. I'll make you have all the fun in the world, just the two of us. Yes.
Well, Mr. Greg, it's past midnight. Can you just manage the couch instead of going back to your hotel? You know, Annabelle will be very happy to know you're safe.
Anything for you?
Okay, let me get you the duvet. I'm coming.
All right.
Mr. Greg.
Yes.
I just want to tell you to take it easy with my friend. And treat her right, because she really loves you.
Okay. Well, as much as my head is swollen, but tell me, don't I look gentle to you?
Well, I don't know.
Oh, well. Do not worry yourself. I'm a perfect gentleman.
Okay. Manage my couch, please.
Oh, come on. I'll be fine. Don't stress.
Okay. Sleep tight.
I'll be comfortable.
Alright, sleep tight. Good night.
Alright. Thanks.
Nse!
Sir?
Let's get it over.
Yeah, how are you?
Greg. Man like Greg.
Bro,
what's up now?
I'm good, man.
See, you know, you're not looking bad.
What can I say?
I thought you had relocated to Port Harcourt.
No ways. No ways. You need to have seen the way I was missing Lagos.
Right?
Coming back to Lagos, it was just like a fresh breath for me.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and then I'm like, let me come straight here. I'm taking a surprise visit.
Please come and sit down.
Oh my goodness. Oh, wifey, I am sorry. We got carried away. By the way, you're looking so beautiful as always.
Thank you.
And the kudos goes to who?
Well, You can see.
You look good too.
Anyway, I and my babe here, we're yet to finalize, but we're looking at sometime in November, December, right? Yeah.
I'm gonna go where the area.
The better, right? Yeah, you can say that again. So, I think it's okay by me. Why don't you go in, get dressed, and let's go to our youth sports and catch up?
Okay, that won't sound bad though.
Yeah.
More like hangouts, alright?
Yeah, you
Let me change.
That you people want to hang out.
Yes, I heard what he said.
We're
hanging out, more like the guys thing. Snooker drinks.
No.
Chicken, hobby and all.
All this thing you mentioned, we have it. It's the link people are going to the link now. We have the link here. We have brandy. We have whiskey. We have wine. We have juice. The link anything you want there now. If it's music you want, play music. Your way. You don't need to go anywhere.
Well, what are you saying exactly?
Daddy, is people drink. I'll serve you drink. It's your chicken. You say chicken. I'll do chicken for you. You see a nkwobi, anything you want. Fish pepper soup. I have everything in my freezer. Don't need to go anywhere. You are not a married man. Don't want all those crop girls to be shaking bum for my husband.
Well, Tonia, we're only gonna hang out just as guys, nothing more.
Greg, I'll respect you. But this is my house, and this is my husband. Okay, Nedi, if you want us to still vary your presence in this house, you respect yourself too. My husband is a married man. He's not single like you. You know what? If it's I'll make it now. You know me, and kitchen adra tomorrow. I don't used to run away from kitchen.
Yeah. So stay back.
No, it's okay. Your wish is a command.
Don't worry, I'm a mega of man. Let me go and make something in the kitchen, you know?
Okay.
Get out here, Unse. Listen, that kitchen.
Take this. You got what?
Hey, come in. Hey, bro.
Great cash.
What's up? What's up now?
I'm good, man.
Yeah.
How are you?
This one you visited my office this afternoon.
Man, I came to the neighborhood and I was like, let me give you a surprise visit. You're looking good.
Thank you. You're not looking bad either.
Oh, what can I say, man? I'm good.
Are you not supposed to be in your office?
Oh, yes. I was supposed to be in the office, but then my company decided to favor me with 1 week rest. They said I did so much well for them that I deserve 1 week rest. And that's why I'm here.
I envy you, to be very honest. I wish I was in your place, but I can't actually be in your place. I think I prefer to be in this office than to be at home.
Wait, Ray. Don't tell me you are running away from your woman.
My brother, it is what it is. You see, Tonia is becoming scary these days. I can't even explain her love and affection for me. It seemed more like an obsession. And it's becoming scary.
No, there is nothing to be scared about. See, normal me, or say the Greg of back in the days, I would say just get rid of that woman. But you know what? But I am beginning to see this from a different perspective altogether. She is in love with you. She's helplessly in love with you.
No doubt, I know.
And this is actually the same way I am beginning to fall in love with your sister, Annabelle.
Yeah, Tonia.
I mean, Annabelle.
You just said, what did you say about my sister?
Listen, Ray, I am sorry it came out this way, right? But I think I am in love with your sister. No. Not thinking. I am in love with your sister. Listen, don't be mad at me. I mean, you don't have to fight me yet. Just calm down.
What are you talking about exactly? Are you aware Anna here, or Anna we're talking about is my only sibling, my kid sister, so what exactly are you driving at?
See, I'm not driving at anything, right? But listen, the way I feel about Annabelle, I haven't felt this way in a very long time, alright? The way I feel about her is just so convincing, alright? Let's just say this is an official appeal to you to give me the permission to have a relationship with her. I promise I won't let you down. Come off it, Lee. Listen to me. Trust me, I won't let you down. You should know how serious this means to me, and this is why I had to open up to you. Please. I've never been this serious.
Yes, dear. It's not been long I came back. I'm exhausted. I can't wait to be in Lagos. I miss you and I can't wait to see you too. Please, can I sleep now? I need to sleep early so I can wake up and go to work early. Good night. Madu.
Small madam.
How are you?
I just found you. Welcome.
You're looking fresh.
I'm just a play rubbish anyhow. Unse! Unse! Go, look at the door. Someone's at the door. I think that door is locked.
How are you? Big brown!
My one and only big. Ouch.
What is it?
What's your waist? What are you eating? My waist. What's happening?
Nothing.
We could look good though.
Oh my god.
Penguin.
Yes. That's my big bro.
And that's my sweetie. Are you okay?
Yes, sir. Hey, guess who is here?
Who is that? You know, you started again. Like, you're not good at guessing. Eh?
Ugom is here. She finally decided to follow me to come celebrate your forthcoming birthday. Ta-na-na-na!
It's a lie.
It's true.
Hey! Ugoma! How are you? How are you, Ugoma? How are you? Look at you. How have you been?
I'm okay.
It's been like how many years? Like it's been like forever, you know.
You look good.
Oh, please leave that. You look amazing yourself. Come sit.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
You.
I'm here.
I saw you. So what's up now? What's been going on?
I'm fine.
How was your trip? Unse! It's like, come. So tell me now, what's been going on? How was the trip?
Just fine.
Go get your box. The boxes, right? Your boxes are outside.
Madam,
Right?
welcome.
Your bags are
Fine
outside.
guy.
Right?
this place here.
My own little space of managing things. Unse, once you're done with those boxes, you help us with drinks, please.
No really. Easy. Just carry one after the other. Just nice.
Unse, be careful with those boxes. You know your salary cannot afford them. So what's about? How's the trip?
It's nice.
Let's say that again.
So, where is Tonia? She's not here.
Tonia went to a place of work, but when I know her, she'll be here anytime from this moment. I know Tonia very, very well. You'll see her soon.
That's your fiancée, right?
Oh, yes, my fiancée.
Oh.
Yeah.
Tonia! Anna! Hey! You know what? Huh? For someone that is always complaining, stress.
What are you guys trying to say? I should wear the stress on my face, Abby? No. You're not looking bad. You're not looking bad, though. Sorry. My bad. This is Ugo, my best friend. The one I'm staying at her place in Port Harcourt. Ugo, that's my brother's fiancé.
Nice meeting you. I've heard so much about you. Yeah, sure. You look so good.
Darling. Daddy, is she the one you save her number in your phone as a
Yeah, my sister, she just returned, and I'm sure your trip is very stressful, and you like to freshen up, right? Yes, I know you like to freshen up. And Ugo, I'm sure you're stressed as well. Please don't tell me you're going back, because I would like for you to stay here. Let that be my only tool of saying thank you and showing gratitude and showing how grateful I am for being a pillar of support to my sister here in Port Harcourt.
Daddy, why is just coming from your mouth? So I will stay in Annabelle's room.
Of course.
Daddy, see? You say she should...
Yes, she should do what she has to do. Come, yes, let me show you something. Anna, you know what to do, right?
Yes, big bro.
Hey. So as I was saying that she should never forget to, bring the she's supposed to do.
Alright, don't mind. Let me take you to the room. Come, let's go. Let me take you to my room. That will soon be our room. Come.
Oh no, come on now, just simple tapping, just Chelsea will not be the end of me. Bunch of overhyped players.
Are you still a fan of Chelsea Football Club?
Till I die, yo.
Hey, you don't even know my brother. My brother always sticks to one thing at a time. Wherever his heart is, he finds it difficult to let go.
I remember.
No, you can go. I'll take care of it. Thank you.
Wait, they don't know how to play ball now.
I'm telling you, it's just simple. What's this now? Overhyped players. I'm tired. Ooh, okay.
They will give you a heart attack.
Okay. Guys, there's
No one.
How are you?
Oh my god, I'm fine.
You couldn't even give me a hug?
What's wrong with you?
Very good.
Alright. Sit. Sit.
Wow, nice. This is beautiful.
Thank you.
Well, I decided to pay you a surprise visit.
Mm.
And here's the gift I got for you.
Okay. Well, how do you know I love gifts?
Let's just say I am very observant, especially when it has to do with a woman that I love.
Love. That's a strong word.
Yes, I know. But listen, Annabelle, I've fallen deeply in love with you. As a matter of fact, I went as far as telling your brother about it.
Wait, you disgust me with my...
I'm sorry about that. But you know what? This is just to make you see how serious I am. And also how to make your brother understand that I'm honest about this. It wasn't easy convincing him. So please, just give us a chance.
I don't know what to say.
You don't have to say anything, okay? Just let me love you.
So that you go and bring your girlfriend to come and stay in this house. Me, I will not glee. I will not glee. I no glee. I no glee at all. She go to hotel. She can pay hotel. You see the color she wear for her hair? You see the color? She can pay for hotel. Me, I no glee.
Hey, babe, why are you sounding this way? Huh? She can't go and stay in a hotel when my sister and I are here. It will look as if we don't even value her at all. Despite everything she has done for my sister, especially accommodating her in Port Harcourt. And also for the record, she's not my girlfriend.
That one I say is not my business. You know, consign me at all. Me, I no glee. I no glee say she go stay here. Eh? You see her skin? You see her say she just dey. No. I no glee.
What are you even saying?
Daddy, me I smell that. And I know what made that lat stay this house. I don't want. Make she go hotel. Eh? Daddy, you go choose. If you know how make she go, let me say me I go back my own house. Me I get house. So you go choose. Me I know Gilly say she go stay here. Can't bring your girlfriend come and stay in the house. Ugogi with heart.
I think this year's model in this fashion show, they're more beautiful than last year.
Yeah, you can see that. They seem so amateur. I mean, sister-in-law. This is why you're downstairs. Hope we're not loud.
No, not at all.
Hi. I'm a friend though. You know that Lay is my husband.
Oh, yes, I do.
Married man.
Yes.
If you're a married people house, you are not supposed to dress like this now. You are just the dress is empty. Eh? How do you nap when everyone walk? Do you want to snatch my husband?
What? Excuse me?
No, there's nothing to excuse here. There's nothing to excuse. Eh? And let laugh here. If you're married people's house, but you call a talo. No case, me. Eh? Oh, chelo. Oh, mission Kebia.
What?
Oh, mission Kebia. Okay, you had ladies about to get married. Set your mission. It will not work. Oh, you are in the past.
Tonia!
Okay,
Tonia!
Where is your...
Tonia!
You are in the past. Where does the future by? No?
Tonia,
Okay.
why are you speaking to my friend like that? You don't even know her.
I need the man. And why is your... Telling truth is not about who you know. Eh? Ne? You have no future here again, you know?
Tonia,
Okay.
you've really got out of your mind. I think my brother needs to hear this.
No. That's fine. I'll just leave him. You me get my stuff.
No. You ain't going anywhere. This is my brother's house. And you are our guest. You are not interfering in our life.
Hey, Anna. Anna, you don't like me. You don't even rough me. Oh, this is your plan. Give plan, Reha. Eh? That is why you are supporting your friend. I want your brother to marry her.
Tonia, I am not supporting anyone. Hey. Please hold yourself. What is all that? Can you open?
Oh, Anna,
Such a drama queen. Excuse me.
Go, please.
Let her go to her house. Please come and go. Hey, Anna!
Ugo, please. Ugo, please. You will lose your job. Ugo, please don't go now. Please wait for my brother to go. Only he's very close.
See,
please.
and I just need...
Somebody want to go.
Okay,
Anna,
ma.
I just need to leave.
Try again.
Anna, don't worry. You're always welcome in my house. Anytime you're in Port Harcourt, you can come to my house.
He's very close now.
Your brother's fiancé doesn't want me here.
Hey, but I want you. Tonia, stop!
Oga don't come. Oga, wait. Oga, welcome.
Hey, what's going on?
Mama,
What's going on?
chocolate.
Hey, what's up? What's going on? And you, what's up? What's this bag doing here? Ugom, are you alright?
Thank God you're here. She doesn't want her to be here. She's the problem. Your wife have gone loco.
Hey, don't you dare use that word on my woman again. Don't try it next time. So what has she done?
My love, Adanna like Rom. She wants you to marry her friend. That's the mission I see. She wants you to marry her friend. She wants you to marry. That's the mission I see. She wants you to marry her friend.
Hey, go. Don't go. Hey, calm down. Don't go anywhere. Huh? Hey. I understand that my woman can be very harsh sometimes, and trust me, she doesn't really mean whatever she must have told you. It's not coming from a bad place. Huh? So, okay, you know what? Can we just go inside and settle this amicably, please?
Ray, when I heard you were engaged to be married, I was really happy for you. Though I knew I lost you, but I didn't expect you to end up with this local, immature, low self-esteem woman. We can't even get a grip over ourselves.
That is why your girlfriend is insulting me in my own husband's house.
My girlfriend, can you stop it?
You're so pathetic. Come.
Hey, that's enough. That's enough.
I don't know enough.
Hey, Hugo.
Insult me.
Hugo.
Bed him. I won't get my friend.
Okay, ma.
Now we are.
Now.
Insulting me. Come me.
No, wait.
Sorry. Wait. Wait. Come.
Go and call. Daddy. Oh, come on. Chocolate. Odogu. Daddy. Oh, come. I make play fast. Huh? Nah. Tete. Huh? Ezigbo nni akwọrọ aka sie. Nna mo. Should I pour hot water for you?
Oh.
Hey, come on. Oh, chocolate.
I'm not interested in your breakfast. Yeah, I have work to attend to, please. I need to freshen up and leave.
Hey, Mbannam. Hey, no, nah. Emela like this. Eh? Okay. You didn't eat last night. I bet what this morning say you won't eat. Why? Is it because of that thing that happened? Hey, Ngwa sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Hey, don't be angry now. Eh? But can't you see? The house quiet like before. Eh?
Oh, really? The house is quiet. So that's what you have to say. You're not even remorseful. So you don't know the gravity of the damage you've caused.
Damage? Daddy? Damage?
Enjoy your breakfast. Eat alone.
Hey.
Since you want to leave alone, eat alone.
Nam, why you talk like this now? Eh? I don't cause damage. It's my territory I'm protecting. I don't cause damage. No cause damage. Eh? I go touch her. Daddy won't come and be a damage is her now. It's not me and you. Oh?
To say Tonia actually did this?
I'm tired. Like, I am very, very tired. And I can't even explain it. I've been trying to reach Ugo, all to no avail. I've been calling her a series of calls and text messages, no response.
You obviously wouldn't blame her. If I were in her shoe, I would do the same. Yes. You and I know that Ugo is not a problematic person. When Annabelle called me and told me all of this, I was just so speechless.
I don't know, Greg, I am frustrated. And I think at this point in time, I'll just have to call off this wedding till further notice. Yes, that's what I'm going to do. I don't want to die before my time. It's that simple. You can imagine my own sister avoiding my own calls. She's avoiding me too. Please.
Okay, see, Ray. I tell you what. Your fiancée, Tonia, she is suffering from inferiority complex. Yes. Considering her background, where she's coming from and all that. Then you in the picture, cute, rich, what to do? You know? I can assure you that in her entire life, she never imagined someone like you as a boyfriend, let more as a husband. Now, think about Ugo. She is so sophisticated, well-educated, beauty and all that, with PhD. What do you expect?
And you know, Ugo left in her third year. Her father actually flew her out of the country to go study, to go further studies there. Because everyone in the school then, including her lecturers, wanted to have their ways with her. Yeah. To think that I had graduated at the time, I would have said, okay, I'm still there to look out for her, you know, protect her and all of that. But I wasn't there. I have to move on. I have to work. I have to, you know, responsibility and all of that. A long story cut short, she left the country. And one very fateful day, she reached out. She said, oh, Ray, we can't continue anymore. That's the distance and all of that. It's affecting us in her own terms, that she can't even In fact, let me spill the beans. She said she found someone else.
She told you that?
Yes, that she had fallen in love with someone else. That I should move on with my life. That we should part ways, But then I told her, babe, what's up? Chill. At least I can wait for you till you return. Do you understand? I'm willing to sacrifice and all of that. She said it's not going to work. That she can't even promise. She can't even say when she's going to return back to the country. Regardless, I waited. I waited for like, let me see, approximately 7 years, 6.5 years. Not until I met with Tonia. Meeting Tonia, openness. There is this innocence that endeared me towards her. I don't know. And now, this. Greg, please.
Lover boy, you actually tried your best. It's entirely not your fault. But you know what? The only thing I have to say as a friend is this. You are the one wearing the shoes. And you know where it hurts. Yeah. Right? True. But however, Tonia is still that same sweet soul you fell in love with. Yes. So don't throw away the baby with the bath water. Yes.
Now go upstairs to the wardrobe. Bring out my first aid box. Sound like white chicken. Quite take it to the hospital.
I don't be bad. Don't give us a big Hey, Tonia! My village people do this one. Daddy, I don't mean that more. Daddy. Anna want to make that case. Anna will say, it's true. It's true because, hey, yeah, because now I almost got killed, Madu. Thinking it's my lemon. So I would have said no, my lemon. I would have beat him. I would have come and blood for him. Hey! Hey! Tonia. block you everywhere. Say him his house. Even if the house is for you, say if you don't leave, will not come back. Oh, Tonia. Still, you're a mental case. A mental case. Oh, Shakarete, who is going to rob a semi-graduate like me now? Who robbed me the way Shakarete robbed me? You made that case. Oh, Tonia. Please, what of your brother? Have you heard from him? I'm trying to reach him. His number is unreachable. It's like he blocked me everywhere.
Tonia, I don't know where my brother is. And even if I know where it is, I won't tell you. Do you want to kill him for me? Or have you forgotten he's the only family I've got? See, go and look for solution to your problem, Tonia. You're going crazy. You're crazy.
I'm crazy. I'm crazy. Eh? I'm not crazy, Anna. Hey. Chocolate. Oh, no name is him. Hey. Hello. My name is Tonia. My sister-in-law says she booked an appointment. Say you are best psychotherapist in this town.
I'm flattered. I'm just doing my job to the glory of God. Tonia, sit down.
Okay.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I'm Cindy, Dr. Cindy. Okay. Actually, your in-law have briefed me concerning your case. All right, to begin with, jealousy is caused by insecurity, low self-esteem, and over-possessiveness of others. But these things are manageable. Since you're here right now, I'm going to help you so that you'll be able to manage your emotions.
Thank you.
But before that, I would like to hear the part of the story from you. Let me know the area you actually need help.
Hi. And the problem is me. I use my own hand and spoil my relationship. My own hand, I don't know where this one's come from. Hi. The thing, me now, I'm semi-graduate from our school in the village that year. So before I begin terroring, they do terroring. Come there very, very good. Very good terror. Very, very good. The one only. Raymond is Very tall man, chapu, topu. Tall man, handsome, leech, very leech man. If Lemon speak here, everywhere quiet. Then, I don't know. Lemon, he come my shop, say make I do crot for her. I can't do the crot. He can't like am. Before you know it, they come shop. Before you know it, come they like each other. Before you know it, come they rough each other. And Lemon, very good man. Very good man. He no do me bad though. He no do me bad. Even one, he no do me bad. He no talk me bad at all. We come they rough each other. Come they go. They rough. Come they increase. But when I come see the kind people where Lemon they work with, the kind people when they follow, the kind people when they follow talk, and I come see. You say balance. The level no reach. My level no reach them. I got the fear. Say may they no go carry Lemon from me. May they no go carry Lemon. I got to try to protect them. No be like say I be bad person. I don't be bad person. I don't be violent person. That's the way to that time. That mistake. I no plan am. I don't even know when this one got they overdo. I don't know. Hey. Now no be say I be plan am. I no plan am. Hey.
Calm down, okay? You need to calm down. Stop crying, alright? Thing is gonna be alright. You see, your problem is borderline personality disorder. But I promise you, I will guide you on how you will manage your emotions. Thank God you're here on time. I'm going to help you on how to manage your emotions.
Okay.
Believe me, you'll be all right. Okay. This is just the first step of your healing. All right?
Thank you, ma.
It's okay.
Thank you very much. Oh, thank you very much.
It's all right.
How?
It's all right.
And Tonia is me. They are not calling violent person. I don't know violent. I don't know.
It's okay. You're not violent. It's okay.
Yes, ma.
I promise you, you will leave this place smiling.
Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma.
Miss Tonia, you're welcome to another session with me.
Thank you.
So tell me, how do you feel today?
Doc. No, since I started this therapy, I feel born. I feel very, very good. My spirit lifts up, my body feel good, my thinking, I feel good. Thank you.
Wow. I told you you'll be fine. You see, in our previous session, I told you on how to practice the things you say about yourself. Okay. So when you look at yourself in the mirror, you say, I am very beautiful. I'm intelligent. I am specially made. I can read and I can write. I have a good job. That is why my Ray is so much in love with me and cannot deal without me. You see, tell yourself that you're better than your mate out there. You're a brave woman. You're a winner. So, the more you say all those things, it will get into your brain, into your vein, it will pass and circulate all over your body, and it will become you. All right? Okay. The boldness will come back. Inferiority complex will go.
Okay.
All right? Okay. So I want you to just practice what I just told you right now. Nah.
You say if I look myself in the mirror now. Okay. Tonia, Nwele. I beautiful. I have a good handiwork. I believe in myself. I better than people out there.
Wow. Wow. I'm impressed.
Thank you.
So tell me, how do you feel now that you said all these things to yourself?
It's good though to hear me, talk this thing. Hear me talk to myself.
Wow.
It's good though. It's good feeling for body. It's good.
That's the spirit. You know what? By the time you get home, you're going to practice it over and over and over again.
Okay.
Don't relent. Okay?
Okay.
I will allow you to go now. But in our next session, we're going to treat another topic until you're totally healed.
Thank you.
It's alright.
So, Mbadiwe.
Of course, you're free to go now.
Thank you, Doc.
Yeah,
It's
much.
Yeah. Thank you, Doc.
Wow.
You're welcome. Go for sale.
Wow. Beautiful.
Buying sacrificed his life in the monthly. Came back alone.
Sis,
Oh,
welcome.
thank you.
How was your today's session?
Wonderful, oh, wonderful. Anna, thank you. That psychologist there, Omolo. True. Yeah, I feel better. Maybe I feel better.
Yeah, you don't need to tell me. I can see that myself. And Cindy is actually good with what she does. And she's Greg's cousin sister. And it's also Greg's idea to hire her.
Thank you. Anna, as I was entering the compound, I did not see Madu. And that room is open, empty. Okay.
The thing is, Madu resigned after what happened. No, you don't need to blame yourself too much. My brother made sure he went back home being happy. Yes, he was more than happy.
I know I fought him. It's me that caused this thing. Anna, Biko, what of Lay? Biko, how is he? At least let me just know one thing.
All I can say is that he is fine. See, I am not permitted to move further. No more question about him. He knows you're still here.
I did not plan to be here now. I did not plan it now. I did not plan it. I give my apartment out because I was staying here. I know that we were supposed to be married. No problem. Agent called me, say he see one good apartment. Next week I will go look the place, confirm it, I will park, come out. No problem.
That one is between you and my brother. For now, go upstairs and change. You were exhausted from today's therapy.
That's right. Mommy, thank you. I don't know what else I will say. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Let me go to the room. No.
All right.
Anything, I'm in the room.
No problem. Hello, brother.
I'm so happy that you've given me another chance. Thank you very much. I have promised that I will never hurt you again, intentionally or unintentionally. And I have decided not to go back to Canada until I have wholly gained your trust.
Okay, I have forgiven you. If I haven't, you know you wouldn't be in my house. You know, right?
Yeah, I know.
And then, I'm not a good judge of character. So I've decided to give you a second chance. And I'm ready to go back to Canada with you.
Really? Babe, thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate. And thank God that I never give up on you.
Let's just say your resilience or maybe stubbornness paid off.
Yeah, you can say that again, you know. I can be very stubborn at times, especially to those that I love. Come here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, it's a beautiful day and week for exercise. Yes. Hope you're ready.
Doc. I'm ready. I'm ready and I'm happy. Very happy. You have no lesson.
Oh, I can see the excitement on your face. But before then, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Of course it's a surprise. Hold on. Yeah, hello. Come in.
Oh, this is surprise. And you call. Daddy. Hey. You okay?
How are you?
Hey, Daddy. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry.
Hey, stand
I'm
up, stand
really
up.
sorry.
No, stand
Hey,
up.
all those things. Mama.
Can you
sorry.
stand up? Hey, that's fine. The doctor and my sister told me you responded fine to therapy. And change is progressive. Please, sit.
You should sit.
Yeah.
Welcome, Mom.
So,
Chocolate.
how are you?
Thank God, thank God. Eh?
You look beautiful.
I don't think you know, Ma. Hey! Chocolate.
And also I have a surprise for you.
Hey!
Yes.
Surprise also. That's my heart is just beating anyhow. I cannot take that one, no.
Anna, can I have a sample of that?
Okay, look. I'm happy to see you.
Here. Open it.
Daddy. Daddy? Hey! Come on again. It's me and you.
Yeah.
Hey, Anna. Hey!
So, I see no need for delay, and since the introductions have been done, both families are in full support, so why not?
Hey, Daddy, it's in 2 weeks, so in 2 weeks, Anna.
Congratulations, little girl.
Hey.
You did well.
Hey. Oh, I'm happy.
Hey,
I'm
it's
happy.
okay.
I'm very happy.
It's okay.
I'm very happy.
No,
Thank you. Hey, Daddy, I love you too. Hey, man, no. Hey, man. Hey, do I need to say much? Hey, man. Hey.
Doctor, please, if I'm not asking for too much, can we reschedule this session for another time for her? I'd like to take my wife with me home.
Sure, why not? I mean, you're very much free to take her. Congratulations to both of you.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. So, shall we, Mrs. Raymond DK?
Ha! Daddy, why was that?
Shall we, Mrs. Raymond DK?
Hey, that's it, I'm Mrs. Lemond. Lemond, the dick. That, nga. Yeah, right there.